Welcome back to Translate Ian. Have you ever felt unsure about how to share your social media handles like Facebook or Instagram in English? Don't worry. Today, our fantastic teacher Hesam and his enthusiastic student Nima will guide you through the essential phrases and tips for exchanging social media information confidently. Stick around until the end for practical scenarios that will help you master this skill. Let's get started. Hi Nima, how are you today? Hi Hesam. I'm doing well, but I'm a bit nervous about sharing my social media handles in English. I always feel awkward when I try to do it. That's completely understandable. Sharing social media information can be tricky, but with the right phrases, you'll feel more confident. Let's go through it step by step. That sounds great. I really want to learn how to do it properly. Perfect. First, when you meet someone new and want to connect on social media, you can say, "Do you have Instagram?" or "Are you on Facebook?" Okay, I'll remember that. What if they ask me for my handle? If they do, you can say, "Sure, my Instagram handle is your handle." For example, my Instagram handle is Nima123. Got it. What if I want to share my Facebook profile? You can say you can find me on Facebook as your name. For example, you can find me on Facebook as Nima Khan. That makes sense. What if I want to ask someone for their handle? You can say, "What's your Instagram?" or "Can I have your Facebook?" This is a friendly way to ask for their information. Great! What if I don't remember their handle right away? No worries. You can say, "Can you remind me of your handle?" or "What was your username again?" It's perfectly fine to ask. That's helpful. What if I want to connect on multiple platforms? You can say, "I'm also on Twitter. Would you like to connect there too?" Or "I have Snapchat as well. Do you use it?" I'll remember that. What if I want to share my handle in a more casual way? You can say, "Hey, let's connect. I'm Anima123 on Instagram." This makes it sound friendly and informal. That sounds easy. What if I want to follow someone right away? You can say, "I'll follow you now," or "Let me add you on Instagram." This shows you're interested in connecting immediately. Awesome. What about privacy? What if I don't want to share my handle with everyone? That's a good point. You can say, "I prefer to keep my social media private, but I'll share it with you." This way, you set boundaries. I'll keep that in mind. What if I want to ask someone about their posts? You can say, "I saw your post about topic name. It was great. Can I follow you?" This shows interest in their content. That's really useful. Let's do a quick role play to practice. I'll be the person asking for your handle, and you can be me. Ready? Absolutely, let's start. Hi, do you have Instagram? Yes, I do. My Instagram handle is Hesam Teacher. What about you? My handle is at Nima123. Can I follow you now? Of course, I'll follow you back. That was fun. I feel much more confident about sharing social media handles now. I'm glad to hear that. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to Translate EN for more useful English lessons. Keep practicing and see you next time.